So guys, our friend Hassan has recommended this amazing dish. It's polo paneer. You've seen the way he's actually, served us and the whole gravy thing. Let's see how it tastes. Oh wow! Taking some of it home, and I think I'll take Hassan's phone number as well. Such a good stuff and such a great recommendation. So guys, as a kid, I used to be a big fan of Kala Khatta, but in the Gola version. I'm having this in a mocktail. After trying out cocktails all over the world, Kala Khatta mocktail is probably, I'm not sure I will ever think of trying out. But क्या करें, करना पड़ेगा, देखते हैं. This doesn't taste at all like what I remember of my Kala Khatta's taste, but it's a good flavor. Something you can just cleanse your mouth with to get onto the new flavors. But sorry, for a cocktail lover, this is nothing but pudina pani. So guys, for our mains, what we've ordered is an Oriental Sizzler. It's nothing really extraordinary. You have the noodles here, rice here. But I think what I'm really interested is in the gravy. Let's see how it tastes. To be very honest, coming to a vegetarian restaurant and trying different kind of palates is what is my agenda here. And that's why the Oriental cuisine. I had the option of ordering Indian as well. It's decent, but considering when you travel so much, the kind of palates that you develop for your Pan-Asian cuisine. So this is good for if you want to change your taste. But I think I'll still go on with the other dishes that I've tried earlier in the day. So guys, finally on to the best part of our meal, which is the dessert part. What we are having is a dragon drop kulfi. Yeah, that's what it's called, dragon drop kulfi. So we have a lot of flavors here. Blueberry is my personal favorite and caramel थोड़ा try करने के लिए. बाकी बहुत ज़्यादा experiment लगा है and आज already बहुत experiment हो चुका है. So let's see with blueberry. Interesting. Thankfully the blueberry retains its flavor. and not overpowered by the flavors which is otherwise very strong. Caramel try करें. Feels like I'm having a caramel popcorn. This would be a very strong experiment. Let's see if this works. Pretty interesting flavor. I think if you're coming to a place like this and if you're not trying these kind of dessert, then what's the point? You're never going to get it on a street food or a regular restaurant. This is where they experiment. This is where they fusionize food. So I think if you want to try something different and yet retain your palate, go for it. So guys, after coming back from Rajasthan, I was really missing the Rajasthani Ghevar. And when I saw that on the menu, I was like really excited. Okay, the fusion Rajasthani Ghevar, why not? Let's try it out. You've seen the making as to how this all adventure happened on my plate here, but I want to see how it tastes as well. Everything is nice as long as it tastes great. The Ghevar is fantastic. The best part is everything just fits in. This entire thing is so amazing. Wow. I think if you're coming here, this is something that is a novelty item. Definitely you got to try this out because it's keeping the traditional Rajasthani flavor intact and also the fusion of the modern dish. So guys, I just got done, rather I'm still getting done with my meal at Royal Spoon. It is indeed Royal Spoon for sure because the kind of food that you get, the texture of the food is completely royal. The hospitality over here, the staff out here, they're just fantastic. They will take care of you, just like how you have the experience of a typical Rajasthani, where you go to someone's house, they welcome you, they make you feel at home, they will feed you till the time, they make sure you're not full. That's how I felt over here. So I think as soon as you enter, you get that vibe. And it's a very friendly vibe. The food is nice. It's right on the, accessible location. What else can you ask for in Mumbai, right? So if you are in Mumbai or not, I'm not sure, but definitely come to Opera House and try out the Royal Spoon.